Court Uncut. What the people want.
People against Patterson. Rashid
Ready, Judge.
Kareem Patterson Jr., file number 25W839530. I'll be right with you, Ms. Laginus. I called another case when you weren't on. Just bear with me. Your appearance, counsel?
P7634. Mr. Patterson, will you please say it following the judge?
Your client pled guilty to the lesser included offense of operating while impaired. He was referred for a screening and assessment. Have you had the opportunity to review the report with him, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
Judge, we haven't had a chance to review it. There are no material additions, deletions, or corrections.
Anything you would like to say on his behalf?
Judge, Mr. Patterson does not have an alcohol problem, as you can see from the
You
report.
have to take your hat off, sir. Go ahead.
See the report, Judge, he drinks maybe once every 2 months or so. This happened at a tough time as well. His father, he's committed suicide. He went out to a family and celebrated too much. He drove and got arrested. He takes full responsibility. We got brain on the first to the plea right that same day. And he wants to put kind of as soon as possible. So we're asking for the 12 months probation. I would ask that since he works full time, 40 hours per week, we limit or delete the court work program just because he works full time with his family, and minimizing testings because he's going to be clean every single time. So based on that, Judge, he's got trouble getting spokesman a couple times. His sister was here last time. Or a great night for the prosecutor. Got us, I think, what we needed to have. And he just needs family support and deal with his grief with his family. Stay with him all that she will do. So I'm just asking that you send him accordingly and minimize the amount of testing and the work program. Otherwise, I think the substance abuse class would be great and still with the victims at that panel.
Sir, is there anything at all that you would like to say?
No, sir.
12 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as direct. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. Kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. I'm going to order that you submit the testing. I'm going to make it bi-weekly for 3 months. If you're clean, I'll then make it monthly, okay? So you have to go bi-weekly for 3 months. If you're clean, I'll make it monthly. I'm going to order that you attend that program as recommended, the Substances of Abuse group through Class A Training Center. I'm going to order that you serve 4 days jail credit, 1 serve 3. I'll let you serve those as follows. One day of community service by November the 28th. By the way, you've seen his AA verification, counsel?
Yes.
Has he been going once per week?
Yeah.
He showed that to you this morning?
I showed him this one, but
Let's see it, sir. Your AA verification.
Paperwork there, but I thought I started that once I into this birthday. Well, once my second birthday, start my second birthday.
no, you're supposed to start first. That's why we talked. I thought you went to 2 of them the last 2 weeks.
What do you mean? Did I just tell you what I was going to do in the future? October 1, I set your bond. I told you to go to AA once a week. Why didn't you do it?
Because I thought
Why would I have told you to go once a week if I didn't mean for you to start until another day?
I started once. So I don't know.
Did I say that?
I misunderstood.
Am I doing that bad of a job up here where I'm that unclear, where I try to, come on.
Just like today, accidentally. Sorry, I know.
It's probably my fault, and I should have stressed that it was before probation. But I told him he was probably going to do that during probation as well. After we met with the probation department, we're here till
He graduated high school, right?
Yes.
He doesn't have any learning disabilities, right?
well,
You're going to do a better job of listening to me, aren't you? Going forward?
Excuse me?
he said, "Are you going to do a better job?"
Are you going to do a better job of listening to me and following directives, or are you going to make your own rules here? You make your own rules, we're going to have a big problem.
Sorry about that.
Hey, it's the 21st century. For whatever reason now, some people think they don't have to listen to what authority says anymore. We have the right to disagree with people. The right to go out in the hallway say I'm the worst judge in the country, that I was trying to make you go to AA once a week. It's okay. You got that right. But you don't have the right to ignore orders. This kind of thing drives me crazy because I don't get it. I just don't get it. So let me be clear. You're going to go to AANA at least one time until you're in the class.
Until he's in the class A.
Correct. So he's starting today. We're giving him another form. He's going to go in person. He's going to have that form signed by somebody there every time he goes. And every time he comes to probation, he's going to bring that form with him. We need an AA verification given to this young man, John. So, do we understand one another a little bit better now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
There was no excuse, but this is his first time I'm being in court, so I'm just gonna. I probably misled him.
How would you have missed one? Come on now.
I'm just saying, because I told him, like, oh, you're probably gonna get assigned to that as well after probation. I just went through what this probation would probably be, so it could have just.
He graduated.
I know, Judge, but.
Seems like a very intelligent young man. He's just not paying attention. All right. 4 days jail credit, 1 serve 3, 2 on the court work program, 1 day of community service. I'll give you until November the 28th to pay that or to complete that. Fines are $300, costs are $325, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment fee. Your fines and costs are $750, screening $60 for $810. Probation fees are $240 for $1,050 plus your court work program fees. Everything included amounts to $1,120. You may be eligible for early discharge if you're compliant. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 93 days. You have 21 days to appeal and 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for appeal purposes. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You have any questions?
Sir.
Anything? Can he pay all this to?
Judge, I don't think you can pay it off.
How much does he have to?
Like 50.
Make a payment Friday.
But how much?
You live with your mother, right?
Yes.
You pay rent?
Uh,
How much do you earn per hour? You're living high in the hog. $18 an hour and you're not having you don't have to pay any rent. That's a good deal.
you just moved back in.
I'm not trying to be a wise guy. I'm trying to make you understand. You should have come here with some money too, but I'll deal with it. $50 a week is all I'm going to ask you to pay. You get paid weekly, right?
Good.
I'm going to start this beginning on Monday. That will be on October the
Morning.
Yes. Now, if you don't have the money, no problem. Show a little respect. Call the court. We'll go on Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before the due date, 8:30. I'll give you an extension. If we have to do that, I don't care how many times, 112, 32, 7, 9. It's fine. Just don't ignore me. Okay?
Judge, seeing as he gets paid on Fridays, could he pay the first one this Friday? Would it count for Monday?
I'm just having him pay on Mondays to give him an extra day to
Okay.
come here. If he wants to pay Friday, he can pay Friday.
Just want to make sure.
And this is your mother over here? Which one?
Yeah.
And who's that with her? See, your mom and grandma are here supporting you, right? Make them proud. Listen better. Take me more seriously or we're going to have a problem. Best of luck to you. I wish you well.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.